Hi friends, welcome back to episode 23 of season 9. This episode, The Best of Design, talks about printable acoustics. Art as acoustics and acoustics as art. Art can have acoustics built into it, and acoustical panels can be presented as art. Printable acoustics or printed acoustics is art. And that's what this episode is all about. Friends, acoustics has been through boring white. It's been through a lot of paints, shades, colors. How about prints now? It's high time acoustical design moved forward into printable acoustics. In a fully enclosed air-conditioned room, how about giving an open sky effect? Or how about giving the feeling of sitting below a tree canopy, wherein the sun is shining through the tree leaves, the branches, right in the lap of nature. And for the walls, fully enclosed air-conditioned room, you can have the feeling of open windows, looking into the meadows, rolling hills, pastures, what have you. There is no limit to the imagination when it comes to printable acoustics. The print, the theme, the logo, or what have you, can come from the ecosystem, the designer, the contractor, the end user, or anybody else. And that can be printed on our range of acoustic panels, different surface finishes, textures, rough textures, smooth textures, even fabrics. An auditorium with a dome roof can spell doom, but not if engineered optimally with acoustics in terms of custom printed acoustical fabric stretched in concentric circles on an acoustical substrate so that performances can be flawless. How about green acoustics with this vertical garden that features different thicknesses of acoustical panels, rough textured printed acoustical panels? Imagine if this is placed in an open air restaurant to control the cacophony of whining and dining. Footsteps and hushed conversations can both be distracting and annoying in a museum as visitors focus on the exhibits. This is solved with acoustical ceilings where some tiles are printed with pottery art to highlight the theme of this section. Acoustical baffles printed with the galaxy theme, either the same print on both surfaces or two different prints on the two surfaces, absorb the noise of frenetic gaming so efficiently and effectively. Diners enjoy culinary delights in relative quietness and return often to this bright and cheerful food court, partly in thanks to lightweight printed acoustical baffles that absorb the cacophonic din. Banners in the atrium of a mall are needed to theme the shopping season or by sponsors for their advertising. Wouldn't it be a superb idea to ensure acoustical banners that absorb all the noises of an atrium and make shopping a comfortable experience? Defense facilities evoke a sense of patriotism and nationalistic pride, in part helped with the national tricolor and the soldier salutes printed on the acoustical paneling that forms the backdrop of this reception. Almost makes you salute as you enter. Acoustical baffles with built-in lighting and some baffles featuring soldier salutes inspire and comfort the officers of the armed forces as they dine after a stressful session of war games and media briefings. Switch to an hospital canteen where visitors to patients and the medical personnel in these tension-filled virus times relax and catch up. Acoustical lighting with the acoustical baffles featuring flower prints bring cheer and joy to serious faces and animated conversations. Patients lying on bed are almost always greeted by a boring white ceiling that is insipid and uninspiring. Better recovery is assured if a patient is positive and hopeful. Flower prints on acoustical ceiling tiles help to add cheer and vibrancy and help in patients' wellness. Anxious patients and accompanying family members can be made to relax if the ambience of a doctor's chamber is less intimidating and less bland. Again, cheerful prints on acoustical ceiling tiles help to ease the visitors as well as provide a welcome relief to the doctors. Conference rooms discuss serious business but need not feature boring ceilings. Here is an acoustical ceiling with tiles of different thickness and some printed with an abstract art to make it very funky and the meetings very productive. Walk-in visitors to a tourist and travel agency and the staff itself remain inspired with acoustical baffles that feature monument themes and the names of the cities in the local scripts. More travel, more sightseeing, more of Dekho Apna Desh. The first impression for a hotel guest is the lobby, and repeat guests would in part return again and again due to the aesthetic and acoustical ambience, fulfilled here by printed acoustical fabrics stretched across a barrel vaulted ceiling. For an airport that is green themed for a garden city, the arrivals start with baggage claim. Here, green leaf prints on acoustical clouds help theme the ceiling as well as absorbs noises associated with baggage claim in terms of the baggage belt moving, bag trolleys, and footsteps. An upscale saloon needs to differentiate itself for the discerning customer, which is made possible in part with giant hexagon shaped acoustical clouds in the ceiling with mandala prints. The hexagons are actually made up of triangular panels clustered together. Very clever. Wonders of the world and airport lounges go together, you would agree. Passengers waiting for flights would be inspired by the wall art, which is printed acoustical panels, and just make those new travel plans that would keep the aviation business going in these troubled times. So, friends, I hope you found this episode very innovative, very imaginative, very different. Well, that's what Anutone is about. It's in our DNA to continuously change for the better, to transform ourselves, improve, and bring products to you, acoustical panels to you that are way into the future. Do continue to watch our videos on social media wherever you find them, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do press the bell icon so that you get the notifications. If you have missed our previous videos and don't know where to find them, you can on our website under the media tab. All our videos are there. There's good news for you. Some of these panels are available on our website on our eShop tab, and you can order online and have them delivered to your doorstep. Do hurry, as there's a special promotion till this month end. So till we meet again, bye bye from Sandeep Mittal, Director Anutone.